Hello students, good morning. I know you have already done basic about number system, so we are going to learn further on this. So here I have written all the one digit numbers. So I will be teaching you how to form the smallest and greatest number. To form a smallest number, first of all, the smallest digit other than 0 is put at the extreme left. So which is the smallest digit? Yeah, 1. Why not 0? So if I am forming a number with 0, for example, I am writing 4-digit number, 4-digit smallest number. So see here, 0, 1, 2, 3. If I am writing 4-digit smallest number and taking 0 at the start or to the left, so this will be counting only as in 3-digit because 0 has no value. So I will be considering 1, 2 and 3. So the number is like 123. So it's a complete wrong. That's why we are not taking 0 to the left. A number cannot begin with the digit 0. So we are starting a number with 1. Then secondly the number which will come, that is 0. So 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Like this way we will form the smallest number. Which number? Smallest number. I repeat, 0 we cannot begin the number with the digit 0. So first we have to put the number 1 and then after 0 in an ascending order. Similarly, to find the greatest number, so we will start from the 9. The greatest number in the number system is 9. So one digit number 9 is the greatest. So I will start my number with 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0 at the end. So like this way you will be forming the number using the numbers. The smallest will be starting from 1 and then consider 0, whereas in greatest you have to write the number starting from 9 to the smallest, or you say descending order. So students, today we will be solving a few sums from your exercise 1A, question number 11, that is filling the blanks. The largest number of 5 digit is, so how to find the largest number of 5 digit and the smallest number of 6 digit. So I will use this rough page. In forming the largest or say greatest number of 5 digit, we should have the greatest digit, that is 9, in all places. So I want only the greatest or largest number. Okay. So for that I will be using the greatest number, that is number 9, in all the places. So see, I want 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 digit number. In all these 5 places there should be the greatest number 9. 9 is the greatest 5 digit number. Is it clear? I repeat, in forming the largest or greatest 5 digit, we should have the greatest digit, that is 9. That is 9 in all places. 9 in all places. So can I count the number of digits? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, it's a correct. So I will be placing this 9 digit over here. So the required greatest 5 digit number is 99,999. Now to form the smallest number of 6 digit, place this 1 at the extreme left. So I'll be making this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many digits I want? Yes, I want 6 digits. So place 1 at the extreme left. Just now I told you we cannot write 0. Yes, at the beginning, because it will be reduced to the digit. So we'll be starting with the number 1. So 1 at the extreme left, and then 5 zeros to the right of the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 to the right of the 1. So let me count how many digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, it's correct. So I repeat once again. To form the smallest number of 6 digit, place 1 at the extreme left and then 5 zeros to the right of 1. So we'll get the 6 digit number. So the required, I'll be placing the answer here. So the required smallest number of 6 digit is 1 lakh. Hope you understand. Now moving towards the next question. The difference between the smallest number of 4 digits and the largest number of 3 digits. Here we have to find first 4 digits, smallest and largest 3 digits. Smallest 4 digits, largest 3 digits. And then we have to find the difference between them. What we have to find? Difference between. So you are very clear, difference between means what? Subtraction. So first of all, we'll be finding the smallest. So I am writing in here in the rough page. Question 2. That is smallest number. Smallest number. So how many digits? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And which we have to find? Smallest 4 digit number. So the smallest 4 digit. So starting from 1, and then after that how many zeros will come? 1, 2, 3 zeros. So it will become 1000. Now I have to find the greatest number of 3 digit. 1, 2 and 3. So 3 digit. Greater number. Yes, the greater number starts with number 9. And I'll repeat this 9 3 times because we want 3 digit. So when I'm going to subtract this 1000 by 999, I will get the final answer, that is difference between the smallest and the greatest. So before that, I'll place the smallest and greatest in the blank. So the smallest I'll be placing here 1000, and then I'll be placing the largest number, that is the greater number, 999. So 1000 minus 999 will do the difference between. So here 0 minus 9, here I'll be carrying that 0, here it will become 10, then again cut, carry 1, so it will become 10, and then 9, and then it will become 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. So our answer is 1. So here 1000 minus 999, that is 1. That we can easily do orally also. So now you are that capable that you understand 1000 minus 999 is 1. So there is no need to do manual calculation. Okay. Next question. So before this question, I'll be reading it. The sum of the smallest number of 3 digits and the largest number of 2 digits. So first we have to find smallest of 3 digits. Smallest 3 digits. Largest 2 digit. I'll be finding this blank first, and then we'll do the sum. Sum means, yes, addition. We come to know from the word sum, which means addition of these 2 number. So question 3rd, sum of smallest 3 digit. First I have to find the smallest 3 3 digit. 1, 2, 3. So smallest number starts with 1 and 2 more 0 to the right of 1. So it will become 3 digit. And then greatest. How many digit? 2 digit. 1, 2. Greater number 9, 9 and 9, 9, 9 if it is more. And here we want only 2 digits, so we will be writing 99. Now what we have to do? We have to find the sum of it. So 100 plus 99, add the number 9, 0 plus 9, 9 and then 1. The answer is 199. So I'll be placing all the numbers. Smallest we got 100, largest we got 99, and if I'll add both, we'll get 199. Hope you understand. So I want to repeat it once again. See, the sum of smallest 3 digit 100, largest 2 digit 99, and their sum 199. Hope you clear with this. First of all, we found the largest number, smallest number, but we have to consider the digits, number of digits asked in the question. So according to the digits, we have to find the numbers, largest or smallest. Thereafter, the difference between, if asked, then minus, and if they are asking sum, so yes, we have to add it. Hope you understood. Next. Now the next question. From the largest number with the digits 2, 3, 5, 9, 6 and 0 without repetition of any digit. So yes, I have to find the largest number. Digits are already given. So 2, 3, 5, 9, 6, 0. These are the digits. But while forming the number, I should not repeat any number. Any digit should not be repeated. So first of all, put the greatest digit at the extreme left. So in the rough side, we have to find the largest number. So let me count the number of digits given over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 digit number we have to find. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 6 digit. Now to find the largest digit, what we have to find? The largest, or you may say greater number. Largest number. Okay. To find the largest number, first of all, put the greater number at the extreme left. To make it easier, I will be writing the numbers given in the question. 35960. So these are the numbers. Which is the greater number? Yes, 9. After 9, which is the next greatest number after 9? So now tell me, after 9 we'll be writing the 6 according to the ascending order of their values with 0 at the end. 9, 6, 5. Then I find 9, 6, 5 and then 3. Then 2 and 0 at the end. I repeat, first of all, put the greatest digit at the extreme left and then put the remaining digits in the ascending order of their values with 0 at the end. Okay, so I'll be writing or jot down the answer in this place. Thus, the required greatest number is 9, 6, 5, 3, 2, 0. Now the next question. We have to find the greatest and smallest. Hope now we don't need any rough page or rough work. We can easily do it. So I'll be writing here the greatest number and smallest number. Greatest number and smallest number. So here we have to find out 5-digit numbers with 8 in hundreds place. In both the time we want 8 in 100 place. See, I am making the line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-digit number. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-digit number. But there is a condition with 8 in hundreds place and with all the digits different. The number should be different. We have to use the numbers differently, like ascending or descending order. So first of all I'll put this 8 in 100 place. 100, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Similarly here also, yes, in hundreds place. Now next we will be writing the greater number, and the number should not be repeated. The greater number starts with 9 and then 8, but we have written the 8 here already, so we cannot repeat the number 8. We'll be moving next to 7. I'll repeat it once again so that you won't get confused. See, I have already written the number 8 in 100 place according to the question given, the condition given over here. Then after this 8 we'll be starting our greatest number with the number 9, and then after 9 the number 8 comes. So we cannot write 8 or repeat the number 8. So I had written the number 7 already. And then after 7 we'll use the next number 6 and then 5. So this is our greatest number with 8 in 100 place. Now similarly we'll find the smallest number, whereas 8 in hundreds place. So our smallest number starts with 1. Hope you remember, we always have to start our smallest number with 1 because we cannot write 0 at the beginning. So after this one, yes, you have to consider the number 0, then 8, then after 0 and 1, which is the next number, 2 and then 3 in the ascending order, smaller to greater. So our smallest number is 1, 0, 8, 2, 3. That's it. Next one. How many 4-digit numbers are there between 999, that is 999, and 3000? So number should be between these two numbers. So students, I'll repeat. How many 4-digit numbers are there between 999 and 3000? So there are many ways to do this. We'll be doing here. So first way, see, 999 and 3000. So we have to find the number between these two, and it should be 4 digits number, 4 digit. So our first 4-digit number is 1000. Yes, we have already found for the smallest 4-digit number. So 4-digit number is 1000. So from 1000 we'll consider the number. 1000 is the first 4-digit number. Then from 1000 to 2000 we'll get number 1000, and from 2000 to 2999 we cannot take the number 3000 because it is written in the question very clearly between. So we'll not going to consider this number 3000. We'll be writing number 2999. So how many numbers comes between 2299 to 2000? It's 999. Add all of them together, like 1 plus 1000 plus 999. So our answer is 2000. So this is one of the way to find. The other way is very easy. 4-digit numbers between 999. So simply, which is the number before this? 2999. minus this number 999, simply we'll get the answer 2000. So it is very easy. Just you have to find the previous number before this 3000. The number is 2999 minus the number 999, the number given here. So you may say the greatest number, greatest 3-digit number, you have to minus that and you'll get a clear answer, that is 2000. So I'll jot down in the place given here. 4 digits numbers between 999 and 3000. So here I'll write 2999 minus 999 is equal to 2000. So this is the answer. Similarly, the next one. Here, same. 500 and 3000. So I'll read the question for you. How many 4-digit numbers are there between 500 and 3000? So the answer is same, like we'll be using the greatest 3-digit number and then minus from the previous number of this, that is 2999. So I'll writing 4 digits numbers between, which is the greater 3-digit number. Yes, just now we have written 999 and here 3000 will write. So next 2999, the number previous to this, okay, and then minus this 999 will get answer 2000. So this is the answer of question number 18. How many 4 digits number are there between 500 to 3000? So I have found the greater number of 3 digit and then minus from the number 2999. Now the last question, very easy but a bit tricky. This is we have already done in our previous question, question number 14. So I'll repeat the question. Make the greatest and smallest 4 digits using the digits 5, 4, 7 and 9. So these are the numbers, digits that we have to use to make an greatest and smallest digit. Condition is given without repeating the digits and with the condition that 7 is at units place. Okay, so I'll write here greatest 4-digit number and smallest number 1, 2, 3, 4 digit. Here also we have to find same 1, 2, 3, 4. But 7 is at units place. What do you have to write? 7 is at units place. So 7 here and here. So which all the numbers are there? 5, 4, 7, 9. The smallest digit other than 0 is put at the extreme left. If I am writing the smallest, if I am doing the greatest, then we have to take the largest number. So greater number is 9. After 9, 7 is the greatest. 7 and we have already written, so we are not going to repeat it. We will use another greater number, that is 5 and then 4. So our greatest number is 9, 5, 4, 7. See, I have not repeated the number 7 because I have already put, and there was a condition written here without repeating the digits. So we don't have to repeat the digit. And then next, smallest number. To write the smallest number starts with like in ascending order. So 4, then 5 and then 7. No, we don't have to write 7. We have already written in the unit place. We will be writing 9. So this is the smallest. So very important thing, I want to repeat it again. The smallest digit other than 0 is put at the extreme left. Then put 0 and then the remaining digit in ascending order or increasing order of its value. So this is very important. Whenever there is a number, yes, with 0, so we don't have to write 0 in the first place. We will put 1 and then after 0, or any smallest digit and then 0 after order of its value. So see, this is what I am saying. Whenever there is 0, no, we cannot start our number with 0. So any ascending order and then 0, any smallest number and then 0. Okay. Now I am giving you some sums that you have to jot down in your notebook. The sums which I have done already, that also, and together with that sum I am I have written few sums. That also you have to do it by yourself and check whether you understood or not. So question number 1, fill in the blanks. I repeat the question. On adding 1 to the largest 5-digit number, we get which is the smallest dash digit number. So on adding 1 to the largest 5-digit number, we get, and which is the smallest dash digit number. This is the filling the blanks. Accordingly you have to write it in the blank. Second question. Write the smallest and the greatest numbers of 4 digits without repetition of any digits. Yes, it is very simple. 4-digit number you have to find, and it should be the smallest and greatest both, and the number should not be repeated. Okay. Next question. Find the sum of the largest and the smallest 4-digit numbers. You have to find the sum of the largest and smallest 4-digit numbers. Next is write all the possible 3-digit numbers using the digits 3, 6 and 8, 3, 6 and 8 if repetition of any digit is not allowed. If repetition of any digit is not allowed, it means simply you don't have to repeat any digit and it should be a 3-digit number. So you have to make all the possible 3 digits using the digits. Okay, that's it for today. Having a good lockdown period at home, so enjoy it together with studies. Thank you.